As we all know, Labor Day is celebrated to the whole world on 1st May every year. This day is celebrated to tribute workers who have made a great contribution to make the world more strong and prosperous. Labor Day itself constitutes many privileges and welfare for the working man and woman. It has cut down the daily working hour from 12 to 16 or to 8 hours in the day. No company can compel any worker to work beyond 8 hours without getting paid for the rest extra hours. People work, people play. People work, people play. That's why we have Labor Day. Minimum wage ratio has been fixed in order to safeguard the interest of the working people. Union has been made to protect the right, and the Child Act in 1986 prohibited employing any child below 14. So in return of that day, deserve the respect and for the judgment for the duties delivered on their Labor Day, and giving the right to all of the workers and enjoy the freedom and privileges all the have thanked. Today, a day to think to thank those who wake to work to rest. Today may they take time to play. Today may they take time to play, to love the dream, to love the rest. Thank you.